Another alleged child sex scandal is developing at a prominent university closer to home.
News 4's Nalina Shapiro is following this story. Good morning, Nalina.
Good morning. Well, many of us have been following the disturbing Penn State child sex abuse scandal. Well, now police have just opened an investigation into child molestation allegations against a well-known assistant basketball coach, this time at Syracuse University. Longtime Syracuse University assistant basketball coach Bernie Fine has been put on administrative leave. The move comes after two former ball boys told ESPN Thursday that Fine had allegedly molested them dozens of times beginning in the late 1970s. One alleged victim, Bobby Davis, now 39, told Outside the Lines on camera that Fine allegedly touched his genitals beginning in the 7th grade. Davis says the alleged abuse occurred at Fine's home, at the Syracuse basketball facilities, and on road trips, including the 1987 Final Four. The second alleged victim, Mike Lang, now 45, is Davis's stepbrother and was also a ball boy for several years. He told ESPN that Fine molested him starting in the 5th or 6th grade. Syracuse University students couldn't believe that Fine, who's in his 35th season as an assistant coach to Jim Boeheim, was facing these allegations.
I just hope to God it's not true. I hope so much it's not true. But I hope that with the rumors that the investigation is taken seriously.
The whole thing with Joe Paterno just happened. It's so close to home, too, just being a part of the university. You just never think something like that can happen. I hope it's not true. I hope, something that comes out and it turns out to be just an allegation. But if it is, you can't hold us to any different standard than you hold them.
Now, you might be wondering what head coach Jim Boeheim is saying about this. He reportedly says he had no idea about any alleged inappropriate contact. Now, on a side note, Syracuse University released this statement on their website, and in part they talk about something that happened in 2005. They say they investigated reports of inappropriate contact by an associate men's basketball coach back then, but back then they couldn't find any witnesses to support the allegations. They also said in their statement that they are fully cooperating with this investigation. Reporting live, Nalina Shapiro, News 4 Wake Up.